Look at this digital tornado. If you use Outlook every day, your inbox probably feels exactly like this. Hundreds of messages piling up, demanding attention, and forcing you to click, sort, and search. Those tiny, unmanaged interactions take seconds individually, but they rapidly compound into hours of lost time every single week. I'm Walter, and I'm going to show you how to stop managing your email and start automating it. We are going to change 5 settings most people never touch, and by the end, you will get back about an hour of your week. No tech jargon, just straightforward adjustments. You don't need an IT degree to do this. Each of these tweaks takes less than a minute to turn on, and you can click right along with me as we go. To get started, all you need is your Outlook application open on your screen and a few existing emails sitting in your inbox to practice on. A messy inbox means your software is configured poorly. Once we align the system to work for you instead of against you, your entire workday gets easier. Step 1 is fixing how we actually look at messages. Right now, a lot of folks double-click an email to open it in its own window, read it, close it, and then do it all over again for the next message. That is a massive amount of wasted motion. We can eliminate all that clicking. Look at the top menu in this interface diagram. Go up to your View tab. From there, select the Layout dropdown and click on Reading pane. Choose either the right or bottom option, whichever fits your screen better. Now you can see the entire contents of a message with just one single click in your list. You are reading your email without opening a single new window. Now that we've saved you some physical clicks, step 2 is about protecting your focus time. When you need to step away from your computer, even just for an afternoon of client work, Outlook can manage expectations for you. Click on the File tab in the top left corner and select Automatic Replies. Here, you can write a short message letting people know exactly when you'll get back to them. Here is the trick most people miss. Look at these calendar fields. Check the box to schedule a start and end time. The system will now turn the reply off automatically when you get back, so you never have to remember to do it yourself. By cutting out repetitive clicks and letting the software handle your away messages, we've stripped the manual friction right out of your basic daily communication. Step 3 tackles the sheer volume of mail. Think about the repetitive, low-priority items that constantly clog up your list, things like daily newsletters or automated software receipts. Let's give those items their own home. Right-click your main inbox on the left side of your screen, choose New Folder, and give it a name like Newsletters or Receipts. Right-click a specific clutter email in your list, highlight the Rules menu, and tell Outlook to always move messages from that sender into the new folder. Watch that email physically disappear from your main feed and drop straight into the sidebar folder. From this point forward, anytime that sender emails you, the message will bypass your main inbox entirely. They file themselves without you lifting a finger. You don't have to do this all at once. If you create just a few of these rules over the next week as junk mail comes in, you will eliminate the vast majority of your daily clutter. Moving from manual sorting to automated routing stops your inbox from being a passive storage bin. Instead, it becomes an active, clear list of things that actually need your attention. Step 4 is about maintaining your attention. Constant desktop pop-ups for every single new message pull you entirely out of your work, and the cognitive cost of constantly refocusing is huge. We can silence that noise. Open your Outlook settings, use the search bar to type the word Notifications, and turn off the desktop alert entirely. If you are worried about missing something urgent, you can always set a specific rule that triggers an alert only when a VIP sender, like your boss or a key client, emails you. Everything else stays quiet. That leaves us with step 5, dealing with the important emails that remain in your quieted inbox. We are going to use the pin function so you never lose track of them. Hover your mouse pointer over the right edge of a message row to force the little pin icon to appear. Once you click that pin, the message detaches from your normal feed, sticking directly to the absolute top of your screen, ignoring any new emails. By turning off the relentless pop-ups and pinning the few items you can't afford to lose, you create a workspace strictly optimized for focus. No more scrolling to find that one crucial message. Those are the 5 settings. When you combine an automated inbox, fewer clicks, and 0 distracting pop-ups, these adjustments genuinely save daily users around an hour a week. I want you to pick just one of these to try today. If you aren't sure where to begin, start by making a single routing rule for your worst newsletter. It is the biggest immediate win. If your software is still actively fighting your workflow, that is exactly what I help with one-on-one. You can book a session with me over at waltercomputerhelp.com. And if this tutorial helped clear things up, please subscribe. I put out plain language, jargon-free technology guides like this all the time. Taking back control of your professional time starts right here on your screen by making your digital tools work for you. Thanks for watching.